Hey, fourth grade. So, looking at your weekly test data, 4-4A was kind of lower than usual. And so I'm immediately thinking, oh my goodness, everybody needs to do a whole group reteach 4-4A. They must not be lining up their decimals, typical mistake for fourth grader make for this TEK. Well, then I dug a little deeper, and 40 to 60% of your students all chose F. And the correct answer is G. They should have been subtracting, yet they all chose to add. And so digging kind of deeper into the question, the big thing is first of all, do they even understand what an odometer is? Probably not. I could tell you, I don't even know if my son, who's in fourth grade, who now I'm curious to see if he got this question right. Oh, I've got to go back and look. I don't even know if he could have told you what an odometer was. So the big thing is I'm understanding that there was a start and there's a finish. Here was what we started at, here's where we finished, and we want to know how far they traveled. So it could have literally just been the vocabulary that got them. Once again, it could have been their problem solving, but in all actuality, it wasn't even a decimal lineup issue. It seems to be the biggest issue was choosing the correct operation and really understanding some of the vocabulary in the question. So before you go into panic mode and do a whole week on 4-4A, I would pull just the students who chose F to hit the why behind it, hit those misconceptions, explain what an odometer is, talk about start and finish, and then see if they can do this question correctly. And you can do that by going into your individual student response tab in Eduphoria when you're under Math Test 5, and you can look at the exact group of students who chose F for number 10. So I hope this is helpful in driving your instruction. It definitely is something that needs to be hit in small group, but making sure we're being very intentional with the students we're pulling into small group for that TEK. All right, have a great rest of the day.